Hi baker friends, today a new bread, immune system booster. Come in, see what we have here. Roasted sour, rice sour, wheat sour, whole wheat, whole rye and a little bit salt. Nothing else is here inside. No improver, no stabilizer, no monoglyceride, triglyceride, nothing. Pure health. And the red in the middle is already very deep. It is more than 1 liter of capsicum, red capsicum and tomato, because I will bake without water. Friends, now the real moment is coming. The hard work is starting, where both hands have to give full power. Not too long, but long enough to be tired. Now we come to the end. And what you know from the last time? They don't need relaxing time. But really, you can smell all the vegetable, the sourdoughs. It is pure power in my hand. After a while relaxing, we will divide him now. Oh, and like you know from before always, what is coming now? Again, relaxing time. Time. So, after a nice relaxing time, you see this dough is improving very slowly, because no yeast, no other improvers, only nature sourdough. When I bring him now in form, and then he need 8 to 10 hours absolutely relaxing in his form. And then we will bake. Good morning, baker friends. So, in 1.5 hours, I will go to Abu Dhabi for my baker group. But before, we won't bake this bread. You see how he came very slowly, many hours, but he came. He grew, he improved. And now we put it in the oven. Oh, hot. So we have 250, 260 degrees. Okay. So my friends, now we will take out the hot bread after baking 45 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So the second one. Oh, hot. So now I make them on the metal. You know, we say in Germany, in the bakery, a baker who is not able to touch hot bread is not a hot lover. Very interesting smell, a little bit like paprika. It is still warm. Nice, fluffy, juicy. Very nice. Okay, the smell is like paprika powder, but we use fresh one like you saw. Consistency, fluffy, texture is amazing. It's really fantastic. Let's see. Today without butter, huh? Yeah. Something totally different than you expect in a bread. Fantastic. You saw how much vegetable is there inside? And you know what is matching this? You put some tomatoes, salt, pepper, maybe a labneh, and some fresh basil. Wow. Also, you will like it.